fire on such a quiet night.
Suddenly the silence is shattered by the laughing maniac.
Okay. Okay. Also tonight we have the most a very important thing to me. Whoa. Spelling can. We have the bullets versus Knicks. Yeah.
No, we
Go
don't.
Chapman.
He's
Go
Knicks.
Chapman. Go Chapman. Go Chapman. Go Chapman. The cameraman has been taken down. Now we shall go to the room with the Christmas tree again. Now it's almost Christmas time here, but Halloween, what the? Thanking Christmas, making Christmas, la la la. Go! Whoa, it's dark in here. Oh, whoa. We're sort of out of focus here, but
Yeah, I wouldn't mind going the day after. But
too dark.
That's what it says. Too dark. Okay.
what do you do it the day after?
Oh, I'm gonna try something. No.
Let me try. I never got to try it before.
We're back, and I have no idea if this is gonna work, but it should. I think we will soon find out. You guys should be able to see something out there, but I don't know. There's Dad, if you can see him, still trying to get the tape to work. Stuart just went speeding by. Ah, suddenly there's light. Alright, now I'm going to turn this thing off to see if it works.
Ted, would you control your tongue?
Einjons.
They were Native Americans from different countries. Now they're engines from different countries.
Oh, I get it. Not like locomotives, but like...
We are smelly Arctic people from different countries. We are smelly Arctic people from different countries. Bye-bye. Smelly armpits.
That's too much.
No wonder you won't give them a beer.
And you think we're stupid, Dad? Come on.
Oh my God.
Well, let's take another look
I'm
at this.
not naive.
Just like strange tree. I mean, look at that. Look at that. What kind of normal tree has branches like, oh well?
Had a very shiny.
Only because some boy put a computer terminal on the end of a branch.
No, my
weighted it
father, I
down
think, is in this direction
so that
somewhere.
it's a downward pointing branch
I can't
for
really
the rest
tell.
of its life.
So I'm gonna try to turn on that thing again. I don't know if it even works yet. I should probably watch this soon. We'll see.
I think you should join in some reindeer games, Ted. Rudolph, with your nose so
Oh, you can
bright,
kind of see that.
won't you guide my sled?
That hand in the...
Go, Mama.
And you can't see it at all when it's on this one.
We are from different countries. We are drunk What is that? Oh! What time is it? Chicken time! Oh! Yeah! Back from the dead to drink! Go, 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 long! And then here you go. Here you go.
But I'm gonna try turning it off again
What
now.
time is it? Chicken time!
Oh, what have I brought?
Oh, should she hit you in the mouth?
You want a hiccup? You want a hiccup like a Zima? You want a hiccup? Have a beer.
No. Say sorry to Dad.
Oh, good,
You hit
Zima.
him in the mouth.
Sorry, Dad. I'm dizzy here. That's too much,
You're dizzy?
Zima,
Did
Mama.
you drink this?
Go. Yeah, I did.
You-
I got help on that. You want Zima, Nickerman? You don't? Oh,
Dr. Pig, go like
idiot,
that.
you idiot.
I want it.
Let me ask. Goodbye, let's go. Bye.
And the cycle continues.
Yay! Whitney fun! Are you okay?
They're normal now.
I'll call the ambulance. I'll call the ambulance. What do you dial to get 911?
What are you trying
Are
to
you
get
okay?
911?
Yes, it'll just be a nice bruise.
Marie
through.
Bonnie.
You were very funny. until
Bye.
You banged into my face.
I'm sorry, it wasn't me, but
Hey,
it
see-
says a spankings. Oh, caning time. Cane number 2. Cane number 3.
Stu, you're the only one that's
You're the only one who
Hey, Stu.
This
There's
is
a
my
stage
candy
that's
cane.
in 10
It's
minutes
not much
right
of
on
a
the
candy
cul-de-sac.
cane anymore. Because
It's going
it's a
to
big
Phoenix.
thing.
Get on it. Go pack your satchel. He's a natural. Somehow we gotta get
Santa Claus from very different country. Yes, Santa Claus from very different
maybe when he gets the highest.
country. In our country, we eat pussy willow. We eat
No, you stay.
pussy willow. Very nice.
You stay.
Oh, that is how we cough.
Don't stay there.
No.
All right, go look and see what's
Get
on
ready.
TV. Go look
There's
and see what's on
nothing on TV.
Then we'll fight about it. We do Wonderland. We can build a snowman. And you and I used to build snowmans. You remember building snowman with me?
Yes, Dad. It's a very painful memory.
Oh, that's not true. You loved it. You loved every minute of it. Do you remember going cross-country skiing?
Oh yeah, that was
Now that
horrible.
was a painful memory. Oh, good, Ted. Why don't you cough a few minutes? Do you remember going sledding
Yes.
down the hill at Greenway Boulevard,
No.
down to the basketball court?
What
There were
basketball
no
course?
remember the basketball court at the bottom of the street?
No.
Ed, you don't remember that?
No.
Do you remember where we lived on Greenway Boulevard?
Yeah.
You don't
I
remember
don't
the
remember that.
basketball court at
Was
the
it
bottom?
at the very bottom of the street?
Yeah, there was one house, and then there was like a little creek, and then there was a basketball court.
I think I kind of get that idea, but it's like all confused.
Okay. We'll have to drive by there somewhere right across. That's it. I'm done acting. You can turn it off.